So we have our special guest back, and Teddy's here. He makes the trip to see us a couple times a year, and you know, it's just awesome seeing you, seeing how well you take care of the work that we've done, and you know, what's your thoughts as far as how you've seen some of the technology that we've had change through the years? I mean, it's probably pretty incredible.
Yes, considering how we started out.
Yeah.
I consider myself a test case. But I've been coming here for a few years now.
Yeah.
I used to go to the Rochester location.
Yeah.
And now I drive 60 miles.
Each way?
Almost one way.
Okay, yeah.
To get here because I think that out of all the dentist office that you could go to, I like this one. And looking back on the journey from when I first started, yes, the technology has greatly improved. I can tell that everything's more upbeat.
Yeah.
The staff is great.
Really? I'll have to do something about that.
Well, I feel like I'm part of the family now because every time I come here, I feel like I'm at home.
Yeah.
And when we started out, I think you had to do everything mostly by hand.
Yeah.
And now you got all this great machinery in here.
And a robot, the 3D printers, mills, everything.
Everything is, the technology here is just fantastic from when I first came.
Yeah.
I appreciate the quickness.
Yeah.
Now it doesn't take as long. Before it would, I think I was in there like 3-4 hours.
Yeah.
But now it's like in and out.
Yeah.
So I'm appreciative of everything that has happened since I've been in here. My teeth are great.
Yeah.
By the way, my smile compared to when I first started was I wouldn't even open my mouth.
I know.
I didn't smile a lot before, but.
And what an incredible journey.
Yeah, because when I think about what happened to me, everybody doesn't know that I was a victim of a dishonest doctor.
Right.
And Dr. Bruce kind of put me back together.
Yeah. It's a joint effort, you and us together.
Yeah.
Can't do it alone.
No, but I appreciate it, and I consider you an expert.
Well, thank you.
You took considerable amount of time with me and special care with me. I really appreciate it. I wherever you went, I'd have to, if it was in Ohio, I would have to go because you took extra care.
Well, we're not going anywhere farther.
Yeah, but you took special care with me, and I appreciate it. My family appreciates it.
I remember when I met your wife.
Yeah.
And what a joyous event to give you back your smile.
Oh my God.
And the amount of time you used to smile before you, almost lost your life.
I did. I almost, the unnecessary chemo almost took me out, and the unnecessary chemo caused my teeth to fall out, and thank God you were around to put them back in.
Yeah.
But I smile all the time now. I can't stop smiling because I've got a good set of teeth.
Yeah.
But yeah, I wouldn't pick any other doctor. I can't say enough about not just you. Everybody in here is great. Every person in here got a great personality. Everything is just
awesome.
I couldn't say enough.
Yeah.
I mean, anything that I said wouldn't do it any justice.
Yeah.
But
well, Teddy, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure having you in the office.
I'm good.
And anyone who's out there, what can we say that Teddy hasn't already said?
And I'm going to continue to come here as long as he's here. I'm going to be here. If there's anyone out there that has any issues or trust issues that think that this is not a good place, this is the best place that you can go.
Awesome.
To get some teeth. I wouldn't recommend any other place.
Well, thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you. Awesome.